This is the farthest space express in human history. A mysterious package from the back of the moon carries Chang'e back to Earth, which will also be the first time in human history to contact a gift from the back of the moon because of the tidal locking between the Earth and the moon. It takes the same time for the moon to rotate around its own axis, so for hundreds of millions of years, the moon always faces the same side of the Earth. Before mankind entered the space age, no one had ever seen the dark side of the mysterious moon facing the Earth. Even in modern times, if you want to come here to dig for treasures, you have to face many obstacles. The huge body of the moon will block the communication signal between the aircraft and the ground command, so it is necessary to launch early. As a signal relay station, Bridge 2 serves as a bridge for communication. At the same time, the back of the moon is actually not dark at all. Considering the Earth's shielding to the moon, the back of the moon directly gets more sunlight than the front, so the detector must withstand the test of high radiation and high temperature. Moreover, the location of this treasure excavation is located in the largest, oldest, and deepest Aitken Basin in Antarctica, which makes the 2 kg moon sample brought back by Chang'e even more precious, which has aroused the competition of global scientific research institutions. The soil from the dark side of the moon will be unsealed and repackaged in the Lunar Sample Laboratory, located at the National Astronomical Observatory of the Chinese Academy of Sciences in the month. Some samples will be made of small salt machinery particles, or soil in the form of resin sheets by numerical package. This glue injection method can not only keep the original shape of the sample particles, but also facilitates scientists. At the same time, in the sealed state, the sample is not easy to be broken, which is also conducive to long-term preservation and use. Nowadays, researchers all over the world are eager to get such a digital photo. For an ordinary person, why not receive a romantic gift from the moon and even get in touch with the dark side of the moon? True Self-Geet, the design team of 6 Lunar Exploration Edition used 3.0 experiments to make this wish come true and created a color scheme for the moon's safe surface, paying tribute to the legendary and romantic space explorer. Through in-depth research and accurate presentation of the lunar soil texture, the True Geet 6 Lunar Exploration Edition used the original trading technology and nanosilicon carving technology to integrate the unique lunar soil texture into the glass back cover texture, showing a unique light and shadow flow and multiple gradients, stereoscopic and layered feeling, and vividly reappearing the texture of the moon's surface. Every time I hold it, it seems to be in zero distance contact with the dark side of the moon, and at the same time 6 Lunar Exploration Board, inspired by the boundary between outer space and the Earth's atmosphere and Kármán line, puts forward the design concept of interstellar port. The interstellar porthole is made of aviation-grade PAI material by ultra-high precision atomic washing processing technology, and a diamond pattern with a thickness of 3.0 microns is deposited on the surface. This unique processing technology makes the surface of the mobile phone present a unique high gloss and three-dimensional effect. Beyond the dark side, it is a tribute to the aerospace spirit of the True Self team and a gift for don't miss July 9, True Self team. The launch of the Lunar Exploration Edition will be with the dark side of the moon.